Welcome to my channel, everyone. Today's recipe is orange shrimp. Let's get started. Start by seasoning shrimps with some all-purpose seasoning, lemon pepper, paprika, and cayenne pepper. Give that a good mix. Make sure every shrimp gets some seasoning. Let that marinate, and now I'll work on the sauce. Here I have some freshly squeezed orange juice. I'm going to add some white vinegar, some dark soy sauce, orange zest. I just grated the skin of the orange. Now I'm adding some orange marmalade. Now I'm adding a cornstarch slurry. This is just a mix of cornstarch and water. Mix it well to combine everything. I almost forgot. I need to add some honey to this mix. To my hot pan, I'm going to add some olive oil. Just using a brush to spread the oil all around to make sure all the pan is coated. The oil is hot, so I'll add in the shrimps. Going to let these fry for 3 minutes, then I'll flip them over. Time to start flipping them to the other side. Now I'm going to allow them to fry for 3 minutes on this side. They are done. Time to remove them. To the same pot, I'm adding a tablespoon of butter. Just allow that to melt. Adding in some onion, grated ginger, and scotch bonnet. Now the minced garlic goes in. Now it's time for the sweet peppers. I have red, yellow, and green. Stir and combine everything together. Then I'm going to allow this to cook for about a minute. Now I'm adding that sauce in. I can see some marmalade not dissolve, so I'm just giving that a stir, just mixing it out. As the sauce cooks, it will begin to thicken. You can see here it's already getting thicker. Adding just a little bit of all-purpose seasoning. Give it a taste. It is so delicious. I wish you guys could taste it. Allow the sauce to cook for about 5 minutes. Look how thick the sauce got. Now it's time to add the shrimps back in. Just stirring the shrimps into that delicious sauce. I am going to make sure each and every one gets coated with the sauce. To finish off, I'm adding some chopped scallions. Just adding some sesame seeds for presentation, they make the dish look so good. Like and subscribe to my channel and comment below what I should make next.